Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Today we are going to discuss exercise B of lesson 1 types of plants. Alright students, yesterday we have discussed about exercise A, take the correct answer. Now today we will discuss exercise B, fill in the blanks. Alright students, one thing which is important here to be noted that you have to write this in your science fair copy. आप लोग ये सारा काम साइंस की फेयर कॉपी में करेंगे. So let's start the topic. So you will start your new exercise from your new page. नई एक्सरसाइज नए पेज से स्टार्ट करेंगे. So first of all you will write your date. You must be having column for writing date in your copies, so write your date there. Today is 28th April 2020. Alright students, so now on the next line you will write CW, means classwork. Underline it. On the next line you will write lesson 1. This is your lesson number. What is the name of your lesson? Types of plants. This is your lesson name. Alright, underline this line also. Alright, on the next line you will write exercise name, exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. This is the name of your exercise. Alright, underline this line. So now on the next line you will start writing your exercise. Number 1. A tree has thick, hard and woody stem called dash. You all must have seen the trees. Trees आप सबने देखा होगा. Trees के जो stems होती हैं वो कैसी होती हैं? It is very thick, hard and woody. And what we call it in English? That is called trunk. Trunk means tana. It is called trunk. So a tree has thick and hard woody stem called trunk. We call it trunk in English. Alright, so now move to the next point. Number 2. Dash have many branches, have many branches rising from the ground. Which type of plants have many branches? ऐसा कौन सा टाइप होता है प्लांट का जिसमें बहुत सारी ब्रांचेस निकलती हैं? I have told you that it is called shrub. Alright, shrub has many branches rising from the ground. You all must have seen the rose plant, sunflower plant, hibiscus, marigold, all these are the example of shrub. So they have many branches coming out from the ground. Alright, so the answer will be shrub. Alright, now let number 3, dash live only for a few months. This you all must be knowing. I have discussed this yesterday also, that which type of plant lives for few months. Yes, right, it is the herb. Herb is a plant which we use for cooking and medicinal purpose. Example, mint, pudina, fenugreek, methi, coriander, dhania. There are many other plants which we use for cooking and medicinal purpose, and their life cycle is for few months. उनकी जो लाइफ साइकिल होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होती, वो कुछ मंथ्स ही रहते हैं. आफ्टर दैट दे ड्राइड अप. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ लेट्स आंसर विल बी herb. HERB, herb. Now let's move to the number 4th. Dash are called kitchen of the plant. As we all cook food in our kitchen, जैसे कि हम लोग किचन में खाना बनाते हैं, in the same way plants also prepare their food. प्लांट्स भी खाना बनाते हैं. सो विच पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर फूड? प्लांट्स का कौन सा पार्ट प्रिपेयर करता है फूड को? यस राइट, इट इज़ द लीव्स. लीव्स आर कॉल्ड द किचन ऑफ द प्लांट्स बिकॉज दे प्रिपेयर फूड फॉर द प्लांट. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, now move to the number 5th. Dash absorbs water and minerals from the soil. This I have discussed with you many times in previous lectures, that which part of the plant absorbs minerals and water from the soil? Yes, it is called root. Root is a part of the plant. Root होता है जो soil से minerals को absorb करता है और पूरे प्लांट्स में ट्रांसमिट करता है. कौन सा पार्ट ट्रांसमिट करता है, पहुंचाता है, कैरी करता है? इट इज़ कॉल्ड स्टेम. ऑलराइट, सो दीज आर द 5 क्वेश्चंस दैट वी विल डू and fill in the blanks. So you have to write these 5 questions in your science fair copy and you will show it when I will ask you. Alright students, please do very neat and clean work. Alright, now you just write down your homework. Learn exercise A. Take the correct answer of lesson 1. Alright students, you have to learn it. Okay, so Just do your work, complete your homework. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.